Are you ready to look better, feel better, and burn more calories? That's exactly what today's segment is all about, fitness for our largest muscles of our body. And with me today is movement training specialist Sherry McLaughlin. And Sherry, tell me, what is the largest muscle in my body?
Well, Zonya, the largest muscle of your body happens to be the gluteus maximus, or your butt.
Aha, butt.
And it isn't by surprise that it happens to be positioned just 2 inches below your belly button, happens to be your center of gravity. So the key thing about a great butt is not only to have it look good, but to have it work well. In fact, if you have ever had knee pain or back pain, one of the main causes is you might have this thing called abs. Do you have abs?
Abs?
Yeah, it stands for asymmetrical butt syndrome. That means one butt cheek smaller than the other.
Symmetrically big. All right.
Well, today we're going to show you how to get them to both work effectively and help you move better. So you ready to get started?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so the first exercise is called the posterior leg reach. So you're going to stand on your right leg.
Right leg.
And you're just going to lean forward and tap that left toe back to the ground and move your left arm in front. That's it, just like that. And what you want to make sure you do is keep your knee right over your second toe, your chest up tall, and that will load most effectively your right butt cheek.
Oh, I can feel that in my butt. How many of these do we need to do?
You really only have to do 10 or 12 of them, and if you can do 2 or 3 sets of them, that's even better, but it should only take you a couple minutes.
Awesome, and you can do this while you're watching TV. In fact, it should be a rule that you can't turn your TV on unless you're doing these.
I think so.
I like that.
Why don't you try the other side?
Doggy, I can feel that. Okay, now this one. Okay, great.
All right, let's learn another one.
Okay.
So now you're going to put your right foot down. This is called the lateral reach, and just kickstand your left foot down for balance.
Okay.
Now you're going to turn and reach to the right with both hands at waist level. So right here, reach to the right and then come back up. So squat and turn, straighten up. There you go. And again, you want to make sure your knee stays right over your second toe. Good. And your chest stays up. Okay, so just by doing a few simple exercises like these several times a week, you can not only improve the strength of the biggest muscle of your body, but that will also help get rid of back pain and knee pain.
Awesome. I can really tell that it really strengthens your body, and it's something really very simple, and it's something we just have to remember to do. So whether we put a sign on our TV or whatever we do, we will be quick, fast on our way to being beautiful.
Exactly.